Anyone who's ever started a home improvement project knows that measuring is the first and most important step in any process. Even the slightest miscalculation can throw off your project. If you've used traditional measuring tools, you know how frustrating and inefficient this can be, especially with hard-to-measure spaces. Introducing 3Dazer, a revolutionary measuring device that turns your iPhone into a smart laser measurer. 3Dazer is a patented, more advanced, and convenient way to measure. It'll simplify and cut your measuring time to a fraction of what you'd normally have to spend and make your project go more smoothly. 3Dazer attaches magnetically, so all you have to do is snap the case that's included with the 3Dazer onto your iPhone and you're ready to go. 3Dazer is the only measuring device on the market that's driven by an iPhone app. This enables it to use iPhone's advanced embedded sensors to make it more powerful. With 3Dazer, you can measure the space directly or indirectly, making measuring simple and easy. Measuring tasks that were once next to impossible are suddenly made effortless. 3Dazer is sleek, compact, and comes with its own drawstring pouch, making it easy and convenient to have with you wherever you go. Use 3Dazer to measure objects as well as spaces. With a click of a button, switch to indirect mode to measure the distance between 2 points. After measuring, record the measurement. Take a photo and add either text notes or a voice memo. It'll automatically store on your iPhone for future reference, and you can easily share the information with others. With 3Dazer, it's no pen, no paper, no ladder, no problem. And for the professional, there are more features with 3Dazer Pro to help you work more efficiently. Manage multiple projects. Sketch floor plans quickly. Store information on a secure cloud to share with coworkers and clients. 3Dazer. Measure, record, share.
The Capri Tools torque-limiting screwdriver has been refined to deliver uncompromising accuracy. It can serve the needs of professionals in the automotive, electrical, aerospace, and manufacturing industries. While many torque screwdrivers are adjustable in 5-inch pound increments, this particular screwdriver gives you the ability to set the torque with 1-inch pound increments for more controlled precision. Each unit comes with a certificate of calibration and a serial number, which can be traced back to our laboratory. This indicates that it has been tested and meets a DIN ISO 6789 torque standard. It comes with a torque tolerance of ±6% and a torque range of 10 to 50 inch-pounds. The torque screwdriver comes with a soft grip handle for an ergonomic feel and a T-bar slot to give you an alternative option. To set the desired torque, simply pull the setting wheel down and twist the handle while observing the marker on the screwdriver. When the marker is pointing towards 0 and the 10 is visible, you are at 10 inch-pounds. Continue turning clockwise until the marker points to 0 and the 20 is apparent while the 10 is no longer as visible. You've now reached 20 inch-pounds of torque. Rotate it 7 more values and you will land on the 7, which will mean you've reached 27 inch-pounds. The torque limiting screwdriver is now ready for use. The torque limiting feature is extremely useful to avoid over-tightening and under-tightening. This torque screwdriver will not only click to let you know once you've reached the desired torque, but will also slip, meaning it will not tighten the screw any more than the torque that was set.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
Fasteners, bolts, screws, clamps. All of your outdoor gear has them. And as your gear has become ever lighter, ever more high-tech, made from carbon, titanium, aluminum, we've moved ever closer to the limits of these fasteners and the materials they're used in. Meet T-Ratchet and Ti-Torque, the first multi-configurable, portable tool system with high-precision torque measurement, designed for use with your high-performance gear. Hi, I'm Josh, owner of Silca, coming to you from the assembly floor of our Indianapolis headquarters. Before Silca, I spent 15 years designing some of the world's highest technology, lightweight cycling components. As these components became ever lighter, proper assembly torques became increasingly critical to both their safety and their longevity. Under-torqued fasteners can lead to dangerous slipping of components like bars, stems, and seat posts, while a single over-torque can permanently damage or destroy a component costing hundreds of dollars. Over the years, torque tools have become ever more available, but these tools are large, heavy, and too expensive to carry on the road. Meanwhile, our experience has shown that 70% of all fastener and component damage occurs when making adjustments on the road. Speaking with friends in other sporting industries, we've learned the same is true for damage to climbing, mountaineering, golf, and even hunting and fishing gear. The solution for lightweight portable torque is called Ti-Torque, a 5% accurate titanium torsion beam, calibrated with 2, 4, 6, and 8 Nm easy read scale. Simply insert the bit required by your fastener and tighten until the arrow aligns with the desired torque value. It's that easy. Ti-Torque even allows for fast and easy step torquing of multi-fastener features such as stem face plates, which up until now have only been possible either with digital torque wrenches costing hundreds of dollars or by using multiple click-type torque tools, the sum of which also cost hundreds of dollars. One of the most critical aspects of proper torque control is position of the tool during the tightening. After looking at all possible options for using the Ti-Torque, we couldn't decide between our 2 favorite designs, a ratchet or a T-handle. So we decided to do both. The T-Ratchet is the first ratcheting T-handle that magnetically transforms into the world's most ergonomic mini-ratchet. The T-handle allows for fast turning during early installation and tightening to lower torque settings. In less than a second, the T-handle turns into a higher torque-capable ratchet with stabilizing thumb control. By adding a thumb stabilization point on the ratchet, the user maintains tool position much more accurately, eliminating rounded or damaged screw heads so common on traditional mini and multi-tools. We even developed our own forged hardened steel 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism, which has up to twice the engagement points of other small ratchets, making it significantly more effective in tight spaces with limited access. In our year-long search for perfection on this project, we've worked with pro tour mechanics, cyclists of every style and ability, outdoor gear experts, metallurgists, and even sewing and fabric experts. And now we get to work with you. By supporting our Kickstarter, you can help us accelerate the tooling and production of T-Ratchet and Ti-Torque so we can get it into your hands before the end of the year. If you're like us, you love and trust your gear as much as you love the adventure it allows. Together, we can better optimize and protect your gear. Please become a backer and help us build tools that are beautiful, lightweight, amazing to use, and also improve the safety and longevity of all your high-performance gear.